guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Calista Star Beauty. As you all already know, if today is your first day of being here, of tuning into this channel, I want to say a very big welcome to you and to all of you out there who have subscribed to this channel, who have been there from the date of creation of this channel. I want to say a huge thank you to you. I really want to extend my gratitude to each and every one of you. I cannot start calling names because if I want to call names, there will be too many names. But you who is always here, you know yourself and you know I am talking to you. I want to say a very big thank you for your love, for always being there, watching, liking, sharing and commenting on this video. I am really so happy. It's been a while and I have not offered a word in this channel. So today I decided to do this head wrap on camera. So today I am really excited because I am looking back to the past. Oh my god, I remember sometime last year when I started this channel, it all started like a joke. I didn't know I was really going to take this that serious. I didn't even know how I was going to continue. Of course, I knew a few head wrap styles, but I didn't know how I was going to. But like they say, when you start something, the inspiration starts coming. There are so many people out there who have more talents than we are, who can showcase it out. But because they are not sure, and the world today is so discouraging, they don't want to begin anything. But I can assure you, if you have any talent you want to show, go online, go to YouTube, go to TikTok, go to other platforms. There are so many people there who are already doing things, and I can assure you that you are very better than every other person. So back to this video. One thing I am so happy, I am so excited, I am so moved about the video I'm going to be doing today is because I want to do the first video I did on this channel. So many people might not have been opportune to watch that video, but that head wrap style is actually one of my most loved head wrap styles. I really do love it, and when I want to look gorgeous, that is what I do. That is what I do. I did it in the past, and then if you look at the video, the editing and all of that, it was so funny. But the fact remains that the message went across, and everybody who watched that video enjoys the style, enjoys the creativity, enjoys the blend. So it's been a while and I've been using our African fabric to do head wraps, but today I am going to be using these head wraps. I actually wanted to use exactly the same thing I used then, but for some reason I just decided to change. So this is the head wrap the scarf I'm going to be using. The last time my flowering scarf was different, but this time I am going to be using this one. And that video, if you go to watch that video, you will discover this is exactly what I did, putting the heads together. So this is simple, really simple. Just put the heads together like that. Simple. Putting the heads together to form a rose. That is simple, right? And if some parts are longer, because of course it looks easy but it's not, if some parts are longer, you can always adjust them by pulling them from the under. And any part that is shorter, you want to try to bring it out like that, because if you really want to get the beauty, they are supposed to be approximately the same. The heads are supposed to be in approximately the same level. So that is what I've got. I'm going to be using my rubber band to hold all of that together. I remember those days I was doing this and the rubber band cut and I ran as fast as my legs could carry me to go and get another rubber band. And unfortunately for me then, I didn't even have an idea about editing my videos and all of that. So even when you watch the video these days, you still see that part as I was running, because I didn't want the video to be so long, because I wouldn't know what to do to be able to take that part out. So this is what I got, and like you know, I have 3 scarves put together in a rose. So we are going to be seeing how we are going to be using this. So I'm going to pack my hair and I'll go right ahead to do my wrap. So watch me keenly. I don't want any comments down there saying I didn't understand. Just watch. You're going to use the color of the wrap, the scarf that you like best, and start with that. And like I told you in my last video where I did the multicolor wrap, you always do a crisscross. Most often when I do such wraps, it's because I want a blend of many colors. That's why I do that. So I'm taking 2 of that, and this is still here. That's what you can do, 2 of it. Or if you are not comfortable with that, you can pick both from this side. If you want to expose all of this at the front, you can do. If you do not want to, you can cover it. So it actually depends on you and what you want. Yeah, I think I'll leave it this way. I prefer this to be in front. So I'm covering up the flowering material completely at the front, but you see it appearing here and somewhere at the back. So if I get there, because I'm really used to wraps, I don't like tying it behind there. So I always just cross them on both sides and I start doing my wrap. Okay, so now I want to go with the multicolor, with the flowering, whatever. I guess I'm going to like it that way. So I do that. Do it however you want it. If you want to cover all of this and maybe expose a little bit, suit yourself. You want to bring it to the back, suit yourself. Like I told you, there is no prescribed way of doing this. Do it how you want and how you want it to look. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking this other one, and I really think I want this to be the main background. So I'm going to be opening it completely now so that I can use it to cover the back part. I'm not going to edit this video. However long it is, I do not care. But I want to take my time and show you how you can do this. This one is going to cover all behind, so I'm not going to cover that again. I'm just going to cross all of this at the top. I'll open this again. Yep. I've not even started. So here we are. You see what I mean when I tell you multicolor wraps are always so gorgeous. There is nothing on this planet Earth that you will put on and put this wrap on your hair and it will not go. there is absolutely nothing. So if you're still watching, means you really like it. Touch that like button, comment, share to your friends, to your families, to your neighbors, so they too can subscribe and benefit from the little tips that I have to offer to you. Thank you to all my subscribers. There are so many people on this channel who have been there for me by day and by night. I really do appreciate your love and your time that you spend on this channel all the time. And don't forget to always come back. I will be waiting for you. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. Love you all.